It's Ohio Jimbo with another holiday fun song. Just those Christmas songs that you can play around the Christmas tree, down by the fireplace, wherever you want, but it's kind of the indoor mode during Christmas. Now, up here in Ohio it is. It's snowy, it's cold, and maybe if you're in a different country, which, by the way, I've had people from all over the world join this channel, and I'm so happy about that. So if you would leave your country down below, the country you're from, and if you're from the United States, give me the state that you're from. I would love to see who all's kind of tuning into these. But what we're going to do today is a little blues number. And this blues number, so many people can take blues and take it to a different level. You can as well. But I'm going to show you this very simple 3-chord rendition. So Santa Claus is back in town. A great song. Now, this has been done by different people, but obviously we know that Elvis made this thing popular. But we're going to use an A, a D, and an E. Now, the strumming pattern, you can kind of have fun with yourself because there's a lot of different parts to emphasize. Parts of the song. That's all downstrokes when you emphasize. But the song starts out with a Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Well, it's Christmas time, pretty baby. Snow is falling all around. Yeah, it's Christmas time, pretty baby. Snow is falling all around. You'll be a real good little girl. Santa Claus is back in town. Now, if you see that, it's just kind of rumbling through, and I'm like a down, down, and that's all you got to do on your strumming pattern. Kind of keep that feel. Every time you hear a note to sing, you kind of want to play that guitar string. That's not in the song. I'm just showing you for a strumming pattern. But after you get through that first lyrics portion, you kind of get into this. Got no sleigh with reindeer, no sack on his back. Gonna see him coming in a big black Cadillac. Yeah, it's Christmas time, pretty baby. And the snow is falling all around. So you kind of keep that rhythm going, do what you want to do with it, and let the lyrics carry you. You'll be a real good little girl. Santa Claus come back to town. That's just a simple blues progression when you go to that A, D, A, E. Santa Claus is back in town. That's really a cool song, a fun song, a little tongue-in-cheek with a little bit of loving in there. So, I mean, the verse is going on. I'm not attempting to show this as the song was written or is performed. I just play it the way I hear it and the way it makes it easy for you to play it. So that's the OhioJimbo way. In case you've wondered, I kind of do it in a simplest fashion and then let you take off and do what you want to do. I'll have these chords at the end of the video, so you'll be able to see exactly what it is. But there's a lot of different lyrics to the song. You can make up your own if you want. So instead of going back into lyrics, you got hang up your pretty stockings and turn out the light, 'cause Santa Claus is coming down your chimney tonight. Oh, it's Christmas time, pretty baby. Snow is falling all around. Santa Claus is back in town. That's just a blues rendition, very random. It is not, again, not how the song was written, but this shows you a way to get into the song and play it and then start to make it yours. Do what you want to do with those rhythms. And you may hit a note and not play again and sing the lyrics, and then hit another note and do the same thing. And I'm muting with my hand down here. Come back to that A, and then E. Okay, so this is OhioJimbo, and I'm telling you, it's a holiday season. Play the songs all you want. Enjoy it. Let me know what you want to hear in the comments below. Subscribe. And until next time, it is OhioJimbo, and if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.